Video for the CAM computer aided manufacturing. Okay, you've got your part, okay, and you have the body for the rough stock, so you can hide and show the rough stock. You launch the Prismatic Manufacturing or Prismatic Machining. Then on the setup here, you've got a generic machining. So you can take the first one. Okay. Okay, so now you've got everything. You've got a new node here and new node here. Okay, so on this one, you double click, oh, sorry, it's on the active part operation, double click to select and to set up the environment. I mean the design park, the ref. So the design park is there, double click, and the ref stock. Remember, you can, if you hide it there, okay, ref stock, etc. You can play with some things, okay, and this one you can choose for the Z direction, the origin. You can change it if you want, it's up to you. So the origin is there, so you can change it with this origin, Z, etc. So the origin, you can take this one, it would be good, the Z on the up. Okay, and if you want to change name, so it could be reference, machining axis. Okay, you've got everything, you are ready. So now you need to know how to add and to create a tool. So you click on tool, you click on tool assembly, milling items, so you get different tool. So this one for the surface, drill, etc. So far we use this one. Okay. So with this you need to change the name, okay, and the number. You remember with the diameter, okay, diameter 20, and edit the parameter to get the real one, because look at the drawing. If I put 20 here, okay, and on the part body, so you change, so you can change this. I like to change this. Okay. If you click on OK, look here, you will get your milling tool assembly. So to remind, you can get the same number, it could be good for you. So this one is the tool equipment. Okay, so you get a tool equipment with your tool, and if you go there on the resource here, just one right click and add this one. So now it's configured. That's all for this one.